Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Moments to near Hopkins Park to near Brook, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Hazard, impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Radar indicated. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Village around 2 p.m. Shelby, Lowell, and Rosemont around 2 or 5 p.m. Lake Dalecarlia around 2:10 p.m. Vermont and Crown Point around 2:15 p.m. Merrillville, western Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms around 2:25 p.m. Counts in Valparaiso around 2:30 p.m. Chesterton around 2:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. In effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Around 2:10 p.m. Vermont and Crown. Merrillville, Winfield, Hebron, and Lakes of the Four Seasons around 2:20 p.m. Wheatfield around 2:25 p.m. Counts and Val 30 p.m. Chesterton around 2:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
Believe what I